Hello, this is a video of the evidence of how to come this drone to the workshop. First of all, I checked the propulsion system, and let's check it out, the propellers. As we can see, this propeller is broken here in this area. Okay, now in this we can find it's broken here, and look this. The number 3 arm, the number 4, the number 5. In this area we can find that it's broken in this port here. Look, and it's broken here too. And the arm number 6 is broken here. Now, when I tried the spraying system, I noticed some issues. First of all, was about the liquid level gauge, liquid level mirror gauge. I removed this to check this cable and the liquid level gauge, and the pins are fine, are correct, no broken. But when I remove this, I find that the one pin is a little too short, so this is broken. So this is broken. And when I remove it, when I check it with another cable, I noticed that the arm number 1 was broken, was not spraying, and it was because this. When I removed the cable here, I find that this solenoid bent Babel cable, it was like this. So it's broken. So I remove it to check it out. And this is all the parts that I find in this drone that was fell down because about overheating issue. I'm gonna show this again. This is the drone. Thank you for seeing this video.